Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to today's showcase featuring more than 50 modern and beautifully crafted window grill designs. If you are building a new home, renovating an old one, or simply looking for fresh ideas, this collection will help you pick the perfect design for your windows. Today's designs include simple and minimal styles, artistic and elegant patterns, strong security focused grills, and premium modern design suitable for any type of home. Each design has been carefully selected to create the right balance of strength, safety, durability, and visual beauty. Windows are not just openings in a wall, they bring light, fresh air, and a sense of comfort into your home. A well-designed grill protects your family while enhancing the overall look and character of your living space. As each design appears on the screen, try to imagine how it would look in your own home. Whether on a bedroom window, living room, balcony, or front side of the house. If any design catches your eye, take a screenshot, share it with your fabricator or craftsman, and customize it according to your window size, material preference, and budget. Before you choose a final design, keep a few professional tips in mind. Always use strong and durable steel or iron for long-lasting safety. Choose a grill style that matches your home's color, theme, and architecture. After installation, apply a good quality anti-rust paint to protect the grill from moisture and corrosion. I hope today's collection inspires you to choose the perfect design for your dream home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite design, and subscribe for more elegant and modern home design ideas. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and see you again in the next design video. Allah Hafiz.